Apple surprised us by making iOS 14 available tonight. Should you download it? Let's have a look. Cue the music. So Apple surprised everyone by launching iOS 14, which is coming out tonight, and it seems that many developers did not have any warning about this. This means that many applications have not had their final submission. We're not sure about DJI whether the applications are functioning for iOS 14. I personally will not be upgrading to iOS 14 until the DJI applications that I use, which is DJI Go 4 and also DJI Pilot. Once these are updated, I will then upgrade to iOS 14 because I don't really want to have any crashes, and I mean software crashes, which could cause any problems. And when I'm with a customer, that's something which I don't want to have. But if everything's okay, then there's nothing to worry about. If you have downloaded iOS 14 and you're using DJI applications, please let me know below that everything's okay. This is probably nothing, but just in case, especially if you're using this for work, it's quite important. Anyway guys, thank you, all the best, fly safe.